Here we are live again. Garrett Pearson here, Software Secrets, and I want to welcome you to my videos. These are live, and this is day 24. 24 days of these live videos, and I will be doing these live videos until we launch Software Secrets and Software Funnels. And you're going to want to go back and watch all the other videos so that you understand what it is we're doing and what we're teaching. If you are somebody that wants to develop software, not necessarily that you're a developer, but you have an idea, you want to build software, then these are the videos for you. And you're going to want to go back through all the steps that I've been teaching of how to build software. So today I'm going to be going over just an update of where we are with software funnels. So we're taking you through the actual development of us building software funnels. And you do not have to be a programmer to develop software. Scott Brandley, my business partner, me, and Lindsay Howling, who's joined the team to help us build this and run software funnels, none of us know how to write one single line of code. So you do not have to be a developer, a software engineer, or anything to build your software empire and build your app or build whatever it is that you're building. Go back and watch all the videos, this 12-step process of what we teach in our Software Secrets book of how to build software without being a developer. And one of those videos, I don't remember exactly which day, but I taught you how to hire a programmer. You're also going to want to go back and listen to all the podcasts. Go to softwaresecretpodcast.com to listen to all of our last 5 to 6 podcasts, depending on where you're watching this. When you're watching this, we might have 20 podcasts. But go listen back to all the podcasts because we're taking you through everything that we got done in that previous week. We record them on Fridays, and the one from the week before comes out on Fridays. And in the podcast, we tell you exactly what we did that week on developing software funnels. So, where are we at with software funnels? Well, first of all, we went through the 12 steps. We literally went through the 12 steps exactly how we teach them. Okay, we're not just teaching you garbage. This is stuff that we do. This is stuff that how we build software. It's the 12-step process. I'm going to go through those 12 steps one more time if you're new, but you're going to want to go back and watch them. So step number 1, brainstorm your why your software should exist. Step 2, buy a domain name. Again, we went through these exact steps. Step 3, design your logo. Step 4, create an opt-in page. Step 5, set up your software funnels account. Step 6, brainstorm and mind map. Step 7, wireframe mockups for your designer. So that's wireframing all the pages out that your user interface of how your user will use the software. Step 8, hire a graphics designer. Step 9, design pages. Step 10, hire programmers. Step 11, HTML and CSS development. Step 12, hosting and servers. I went through all of these in the last couple videos so that I went into detail of how to do those things. And so we went through those, and that's where we're at. We've got the servers done. We've hired the programmers, we've got a graphic designer, we're designing all the pages out, and that's going right now. That's where we are in the process. We are designing out all the user interface pages, and so we've got a designer that we got doing that. Then we send those designs to the front-end developer, which is the HTML and CSS development. So he takes those and makes them into actual web pages, and then we take those and he sends those to the developers when that task is needed. So then we're using Trello. Okay, let me show you right here. See if I can turn this around. Okay, so we're using Trello, but when we have software funnels, obviously we'll be using software funnels, but we're building it right now. So here you can see, okay, we got Salman, he's our HTML, CSS developer, and he worked on the registration page today. Then we've got to-do and all the programmers' to-do lists. Okay, we got a new programmer starting. So we've got in total 3 developers working full-time on this. And the reason why we're doing that is because we've got to get this done by May. Okay, the spring of 2017 when we want to launch software funnels. We want this done in May, and so we've got a lot of work to do. This is a big project, and if you don't know what Software Funnels is, go to blog.softwaresecrets.com. You can read what is Software Funnels, and also day 2, I think. Pretty sure it's day 2. One of the early days, I go the difference between Software Secrets and Software Funnels. Software Secrets is the training, Software Funnels is the software that we're building, and it is some intense software that we are developing. And so we've got 3 programmers now working on it. So this is just me updating you where we're at. 3 programmers, and we've never had 3 programmers working on a startup, like when we're just building. So this is new territory for us even. Generally we have 1 or 2. So this is, like I said, new territory for us. So he starts, the new programmer that is joining the team starts tomorrow. We've got the other 2 that have been working, and what we've been working on these past couple weeks is, once we got through all these 12 steps, we're about a month and a half into this. We started about November 7th is about when we started started the processes, and then about a month ago we got to the hire programmers part, and the programmers started really going full bore. We got the servers set up, the staging servers, and so what we got going now is, like I said, we're designing all the pages out with the designer. Salman, our front-end developer, he is pumping out pages. And so what Lindsay and I do each day is we see where the designers are and make any changes to design. Then we go to see what the HTML and CSS looks like. We've got to test it all. We pull it up on the screen, we pull it up on our mobile phones, and we see how everything looks, and we make sure that it's exactly how we designed it, because going from the design to HTML, sometimes it doesn't go perfectly, so we've got to make sure that it looks exactly how we want it to look. So then we create projects for the developers, the back-end developers that are developing the functionality of all these pages. And the big thing that we've been working on that's taken a lot more time than we thought, and it always does, it always takes double the time that you expect, but is the user structure. And we've got to get this right, because it's a huge piece of using the software, is how users and teams and the company works together. And so it's been taking a lot longer than we expected, but it's coming together. And we've got our user management page, and we've got the My Profile page that we've been working on, and then we've got to tie all these tools in together. So we've got another programmer that's working on the API of everything, which is, what that means is it ties so that all these tools can work together, and the users can get access to the specific tools that the main user gives them access to. So one of the other programmers, he is working on the whiteboarding software. So that's where we started. We started on the whiteboarding software to get that done. Then we'll go to wireframing. The programmer is going to start tomorrow. He's going to be working on the wireframing software. And then we'll go down the list of the projects like Trello software, the communication software, the chatting like Slack and Skype. Then we'll just go down the list. And so we've been working super, super hard to get this done. In a couple weeks, maybe next week, depending on, it's kind of Christmas time, but so probably 2 weeks, what I'll do is I'll do a live video where I'm showing you my screen so that you can see it in real time, okay? So that you can see, actually I'm going to turn this around because I've got the user page up on this page. So here you can see the user management page. I mean, there's obviously a lot more that goes into it. I don't know if this is going to work because I'm not logged in. Oh yeah, so yeah, see, the things we're still in development, but what I'll do is I'll use BlueJeans, the software that I use to do live videos, to show you my screen live, and I'll go through everything that we're getting done. That'll be exciting so that you can see the progress. But things are going, and here's the tip of the day essentially for this video. I just wanted to give you an update, but the truth is we just are doing the steps. We're doing the work. We're moving things forward. And have there been roadblocks? Yes, every day there are roadblocks that get in the way of things that we didn't think of, or things that we have to work through. And we just do it every day. So that's the key, is to continue to hustle, continue to work hard, and just keep moving. Just keep moving. Whatever it takes to get over those roadblocks and keep moving is when you will see the fruits of your labor. Okay, so thanks for watching today. Hopefully you enjoyed that update. Next week or 2 weeks from now, probably 2 weeks from now, I'll do one where you can see all the pages, because we'll have a lot more pages done, and I'll show you the whiteboarding software, and it's really exciting. So thank you, everybody. Tomorrow is Wednesday, December 21st. So happy holidays to everybody if you're watching these live. But next week, I probably won't do Monday video, but we'll make sure that tomorrow that I give you some really good information on, and I think what I want to focus on tomorrow is consistency. I'm going to talk to you about consistency and some other cool things. So thanks for watching.